Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 14cc. Coming in at just under 20 foot long, this is one of the smallest travel trailers we do carry. As you can see, it does have a good storage space up front. There is a push button light over here. It's got a lighted and power awning that extends nearly the length of the unit. It's got outdoor speakers along with cable and satellite hookups and an outlet. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look inside. Now this unit does weigh just over 2,900 pounds, so under 3,000. So obviously half-ton towable by a long shot. This could be towed with even an SUV. At the front of the unit is your bed. As you can see, there is a handle on the bed that lifts up to access the storage underneath it. There are side open cabinets up top, which is great, so you don't have to hold them open while you're loading and unloading them. It does have a nice little booth, two-person booth that will fold down into a bed. You got some storage up top, your radio, your TV mount, and all your hookups are up here. Over here in your kitchen, you've got a good amount of storage space. You do have a single basin sink, and it does have a hand sanitizing station, so a soap dispenser. It does have the sink cover, which offers more counter space here, and it does come with a 2-burner Greystone stovetop and a contour microwave. There's also a 12-volt Everchill refrigerator and freezer. This will run off your battery, and it will keep your food cold as you're driving down the road. The 2 doors back here are your restroom areas. So over here is your toilet. And I want to go ahead and show you, it's not just a closet. You do get a little bit of light from the vent. And then on the opposite side is your shower. And again, you do get a vent in here as well. This helps with the condensation along with light and, circulation. Of course, you do get a light in here as well. And this is actually a sink. And the basin of the shower is fairly deep, so you could actually use this as a bathtub if necessary. If you'd like to see this unit or any of the other great options we have available here at Tri-State RV, come out and see us in Anna, Illinois, or visit us online at www.tristaterv.com.